Since the dawn of humanity, we have looked up at the stars and wondered, are we alone in this vast universe? Space is not an empty silence as many once thought. It is filled with waves, signals, and mysterious bursts of energy. Some of these signals we understand. They come from exploding stars, asteroids, or even human-made satellites. But others remain unsolved. Strange signals that appear suddenly, vanish without explanation, or repeat in patterns that suggest an intelligent source. When scientists talk about signals, they mean complex radio data, not sounds we hear with our ears. Yet some of these readings were so unusual, so precise, that even the experts began to ask, could this be a message from another civilization? In this video, we begin an extraordinary journey through 10 of the strangest signals ever recorded from space. Signals that continue to puzzle scientists and spark debate even decades later. In this first part, we'll explore the most famous space signal ever captured, the mystery of fast radio bursts, and the strange flashes detected from our closest neighboring star system, Proxima Centauri. Part 1. The WOW Signal, 1977. On the night of August 15, 1977, American astronomer Jerry Eman was working on a project at Ohio State University using a massive radio telescope called the Big Ear. As he scanned the endless stream of routine numbers and data, something extraordinary appeared on the screen. It was a powerful, narrowband radio signal lasting 72 seconds. It came from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation. Shocked, Eman circled the data in red ink and wrote just one word beside it: wow. And thus, the signal got its famous name. Why was it unique? Strength far stronger than typical cosmic noise. Shape, a narrowband signal, the same kind of transmission humans use in radio communication. Source, no known satellites or planets were in that region of space at the time. But the most mysterious detail, it was never heard again. For decades, astronomers tried to redetect it using advanced telescopes. But the WOW signal remains a one-time event. Some suggest it may have been a stray reflection of an Earth-based transmission. Others believe it could have been a deliberate message sent across the stars. To this day, nearly half a century later, the WOW signal is one of the strongest candidates for alien contact ever recorded, a whisper from the cosmos that left humanity waiting for a reply. Part 2. Fast radio bursts, FRBs. In 2007, while analysing archived data from Australia's Parkes radio telescope, scientists noticed something bizarre. It was a millisecond-long flash of radio waves, unimaginably powerful. Far stronger than any known burst from the sun, these became known as fast radio bursts, FRBs. What makes them so mysterious? They last only a fraction of a second, yet in that brief moment, they release more energy than the sun emits in days. Some are one-time events, while others repeat, flashing again and again from the same cosmic source. In 2016, astronomers detected the first repeating FRB, located 3 billion light-years away. Even more puzzling, some bursts appeared in unusual sequences, almost like coded messages. Possible explanations include collisions of neutron stars, black holes devouring nearby stars, exotic magnetic stars called magnetars. But a few scientists argue that FRBs could be signs of advanced technology, perhaps massive beacons or propulsion systems created by extraterrestrial civilizations. Today, hundreds of FRBs have been detected, and new ones are being discovered every year. Yet no definitive answer has emerged. Are they natural cosmic fireworks? Or could they be signals from intelligent life? The debate remains open, and the mystery deepens with each new detection. Part 3. The strange signal from Proxima Centauri. In 2020, researchers working with the Breakthrough Listen project, the world's largest search for extraterrestrial intelligence, detected something extraordinary. They picked up a narrowband radio signal coming from the direction of Proxima Centauri, the star nearest to our Sun, just 4.2 light-years away. What made it so intriguing? It lasted for several days. It came directly from the star's position. Proxima Centauri is known to host at least one planet within the habitable zone. The signal was labeled BLC-1, Breakthrough Listen Candidate 1. Scientists spent months analyzing it, trying to rule out interference from human-made satellites or equipment. Skeptics argue it was probably just terrestrial noise, but others see it as one of the most exciting leads in modern SETI research. Unlike distant FRBs, this signal came from our closest stellar neighbor, a place where communication would be energetically feasible. The thought is staggering. If a civilization exists around Proxima Centauri, it would be the nearest possible neighbors humanity could have in the galaxy. For now, the signal remains unexplained, keeping alive the tantalizing possibility that someone out there is trying to make contact.